TSA grabbed my butt.
You liked it.
I don't think they were looking for anything. What do you think?
You liked it.
What?
You liked that they grabbed your butt.
I mean, it was a nice grab. It is 7 a.m. and we are on our way to San Diego. My wife is saying that she wants to eat at Samburgers, so I booked us a flight so we can go get a Samburger. Is that what you wanted?
Day hamburger? Yeah.
She wants a Samburger. Just kidding, we're just going to San Diego, but we're taking you with us. Just got to Sacramento Airport and it is freezing.
So cold. Oh, it's so cold.
Well, yeah, it's freezing. It's cold, okay? And don't matter whether it's cold or hot out, we drink cold coffees, you know, so probably doesn't help. So let's go catch this flight. Fly her to the moon. Let's go San Diego. Hurry up. Up?
Down.
Go down? Whew. Hello. Hello and welcome to Movie Phone for Horror Press. Hello? It's gonna be a good time, right? I'm ready to get me a Samburger. What is it, Sam the Cooking Guy? I think that's his restaurant. That's all we're going to San Diego for. Okay, gotta rotate hands. They touched my butt.
Pretty much, sometimes.
It was a nice, good grab. I think I got like a handful.
How are you doing
TSA
today?
grabbed my butt.
You liked it.
I don't think they were looking for anything. What do you think?
You liked it. That they grabbed your butt.
What?
You liked that they grabbed your butt.
I mean, it was a nice grab. So we took off around 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock this morning? We took off at 8 o'clock. We got to the airport about 9:30. The flight wasn't that bad, aside from the stinky lady that was sitting next to my wife. So shout out to you, stinky lady, who kept bumping into my wife. Welcome to Whale's Vagina. Time to go to the hotel. We get to the airport, we get our bags, we head to an Uber. Uber takes us right to the Hilton Bayfront, and this room is absolutely beautiful. We got an incredible view looking at the water. We get to see everything. So I think probably tomorrow morning I'm gonna do a time lapse. I think it's gonna be an incredible time here. Now it's time to find something to eat. I think we need to go do that. You hungry?
You?
Are you hungry?
I am hungry.
What are you hungry for? Oh, we can't even hear her, but we're gonna go get some food and we're taking you with us, so let's go. We're going to right now, we're going to Samburgers. Sam the Cooking Guy's restaurant, he's one of my favorite YouTubers. So let's go try his food. I just saw one of his videos about some chili cheese fries, but then I looked at their website and I saw this jalapeno burger, and yeah, I think that's the one that I need to try. So
Where are we going?
I think we're going that way. You excited?
Oh my God, it's windy. It's
Ooh.
so cold.
You excited to try some Samburger?
I'm gonna fly away. Oh my God.
Fly her to the moon. This is a boat that I'd like to have, but you know, I've heard that the best moments you'll have with a boat is the day you buy it and the day you sell it. Now these are obviously, I guess, mini yachts. I would live on it. Yeah, I would live on it. Okay, we're almost at Samburgers. Probably another like 2 to 3 minute walk and we're there. I'm trying to find Samburgers because I looked on Google and it said that it's supposed to be here in Seaport Village. It's nowhere to be found. Turns out there's only one location in Little Italy, so we're gonna find something else to eat. Let's find something else to eat, I guess. Fuck.
He disappointed me.
I'm disappointed.
He disappointed me today.
I'm disappointed, Sam. What the fuck? Why is it on Google? Seaport Village, there's no Samburgers. So now we have like a 20-minute walk, and I'm not giving up on this vlog, so Sam the Cooking Guy, this better be good.
We're walking 24 minutes.
Yeah, because we don't feel like calling an Uber. We're just gonna get the exercise in so we can enjoy this burger. You better be good, Sam. I'm gonna make it. Man, this was It's quite a walk. Hello. Can we get the smokehouse tots? And what would you recommend? The jalapeno burger or the bacon cheddar?
Well, my favorite is the jalapeno.
Really?
The BBC is from California, so.
You know, I kind of wanted the jalapeno before we started walking here. It took us 45 minutes, so I'm gonna get the jalapeno burger. My wife ordered the smokehouse tots and I got the jalapeno burger. It was highly recommended by the girl that was working at the counter. They let me film them as they were making the burger and making the tots, and it looked incredible. I was getting hungrier and hungrier, and then we got our meal. So first off, the burger was absolutely incredible. I'm gonna give it a 9 out of 10. It was tangy, it had the right amount of spice to it from the jalapenos. The burger was cooked to absolute perfection. I walked 45 minutes for this. Look at that. I mean, the burger looks incredible. I saw them putting it together. They obviously know what they're doing. It looked fantastic. First bite, the cheese was melty, and I got this nice, incredible cheese pool as I was eating the burger. So I'm a happy camper. And then I got to try my wife's tots. Those were spot on, and actually as soon as I get home, that's gonna be one of my next YouTube videos, something that I'm gonna make inspired by Sam the cooking guy. So I'm gonna rate this place 9 out of 10. I highly recommend that you guys go try it. So overall, great experience at the restaurant, tasty burgers, and remember, if you like this content, hit that notification bell, hit that like button, leave me a comment, share it with a friend, and most importantly, don't forget to subscribe. I'm gonna be in San Diego for a few more days, so we're gonna try some more food. And I'm out.